An educator with a passion for purposeful learning and growth. Today, I am excited to share my reflection on one of the most powerful TED Talk I have ever come across: How to Fix a Broken School, Lead Fearlessly, Love Hard by Linda Clyde Wyman. She's an inspiring school leader who transforms struggling schools in Philadelphia with courage, discipline, and unconditional love for her students. In this session, we will explore her leadership principles, her fearless approach to challenges, and what we, as educators and learners, can take away from our own journey. So, stay with me as we uncover lessons of leading fearlessly and loving hard in education and beyond. But before this, I want to tell you that you can connect with me on all my social media handles for insights, reviews, and meaningful conversation. Let's keep learning, reflecting, and growing together. My YouTube channel name is Idam TV. You can search on YouTube by writing my name Idam TV 5544. My Facebook profile is also named Idam Mushtaq Education Wali, and my Instagram handle is also named Ira Mustaq Education Wali, and I am also available on LinkedIn with the same name Ira Mustaq Education Wali, so you can watch my whole content on all social media handles. You can like, share, and subscribe my channel and my video, and your comments are more valuable for me because your comments give me new suggestions, new ideas, and you can ask questions to me so I can give you answer, and it will be a healthy conversation between all of us. So let's move toward our TED Talk. I break the review in following part: number one, introduction; number two, summary; and then my own reflection on the TED Talk. So, firstly, I want to introduce you with the TED speaker, that is Linda, and I want to tell you something about her biography and her social media handles. She did BA and MA from St. Joseph University. She's a special education teacher and principal and assistant superintendent and founder and director of Currently Trending Schools. Her notable achievements: dramatic school turnaround, removal from dangerous status, TED Talk speaker, national media features, language and ethos, leadership defined by bold action and deep love. So we can contact her on Facebook and on Twitter, and also her private website, linda at principalwayman.com. I also paste all her social media contact in my description. You can contact with her by her social media handles. So let's move toward our review. What are the key takeaways from the TED Talk which I saw? Number one point is the harsh reality. Strawberry mentions school was one of the most dangerous and underperforming school in the USA. Students had lost hope with one evening telling her this is not a school. Second key point in her TED talk was small but visible changes matter. She fixed lockers, she cleaned the classroom, she replaced broken lights, redecorated with positive messages. These actions signaled that students deserved dignity and care. Third point is three leadership mantras. If you are going to lead, then lead. Be present, take responsibility, and act boldly. So what? Now what? Don't dwell on excuses. Poverty, crime, lack of resources. Focus on solution. If nobody told you they loved you today, remember I do. Show students they are valued, cared for, and loved. Fourth point, which I note from her TED Talk, is non negotiable for discipline and respect. Implemented clear rules and expectations for behavior. Created a safe environment, leading to the school being removed from the persistently dangerous list. Fifth point she mentioned in the TED Talk about her school performance is academics with high expectations. She added remediations, honor classes, she gave counseling and extracurriculars within school hours. She encouraged teachers to raise standards, use small group learning, and continuously improve. Sixth point, which she mentioned in her TED talk, is student achievement and growth. Within a year, test scores significantly improved. Algebra score up to 171%. Students began to believe in their own potential. Seventh point, which she talked about in her TED Talk, is love as the foundation. She emphasized that leadership isn't just about discipline and academics, it's about loving students deeply. Daily affirmations, birthday songs, personal connections help rebuild the trust. So, the core message from the TED Talk is broken schools can be transformed through fearless leadership, relentless accountability, and unconditional love for students. So, I am moving toward my personal reflection on this TED Talk is watching this TED Talk touched me deeply as an educator. Her story remind me that true leadership is not just about managing rules and systems. It's about fearless actions and a genuine love for the people we serve. What inspired me the most were her three mantras: if you are going to lead, then lead, reminding me that leadership demands courage and responsibility. Second rule she tells, so what, now what, teaching me to focus on solution instead of excuses, no matter how difficult the circumstances. Third rule is, if nobody told you they love you today, remember, I do, showing the incredible power of love and care in building trust and hope. As a teacher, parent, and community member, we often face challenges that feel overwhelming, but this talk reminded me that even in the hardest situation, change is possible when we combine discipline with compassion. Leadership without love becomes rigid, and love without leadership becomes weak. But together they transform lives. For most, the biggest lesson is never underestimate the impact of small action and kind words. Sometimes fixing a broken system starts with fixing the way we see and treat the people inside it. So it is the review for this TED Talk. I hope it will be helpful for you and you can share your thoughts in the comment box. Till then, take care yourself. I will come again with another TED Talk, another review. And please also start, you people must also start to watch TED Talk and improve your learning. Take care. Allah Hafiz.